What's going on, guys? We are back with another video, and today we are going to get started on getting into this Bullitt and getting to work. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take apart the interior, and the reason why I'm doing that is going to be more clear in the next video when I go more in depth on the plans that I have with the Bullitt and everything that I want to do with it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to work. Alright, one seat down. Accidentally forgot to unplug the connector, so that made this a little more difficult than it needed to be. But that's one seat down, and let's move on to the passenger side. Alright guys, quick little update. I was taking out the front two bolts of the passenger seat, and one of the bolts actually ended up coming completely out of the floorboard. Normally it's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be just a little nut that pops off of the bolt that holds it into the floorboard, but the whole thing came out. Luckily that's not too big of an issue. But yeah, let's get right back on into it. Alright, that's all the bolts out. Now all we gotta do is take out the seat, which is gonna be a little difficult. We don't have a lot of space right here, but I'm gonna try my best, so wish me luck. Alrighty guys, we are back. Sorry about the little interruption. My memory card ran out of space, so the camera just stopped recording. But we got both of the seats out, and they're both chilling right down here. We got the driver's side on the right, passenger on the left. They're in decent shape for the most part. Driver's seat has a little hole and some pretty bad bolster wear, but for the most part they're not too bad. We're gonna go ahead and take out the rear seats real quick, so I will see you guys in a second. And there you have it. We have the rear seats completely removed. As you can see right here, we've got the backrests and then the actual seat right there. You can see in here, this thing is completely covered in trash. The lighting isn't the best in here. That's why I didn't decide to try and record this for you guys. It's just really dark. My camera doesn't want to do well in low light, so I just decided I'd go ahead and do that on my own and show you guys when it's all done. But now I think we got to get to cleaning out all this trash. So I'll try and get some better lighting, change some camera settings, and hopefully I can at least record a little bit more for you guys. So yeah. roommate found a kitchen knife. I guess they liked making sandwiches in their car. So, yeah. I think it's time to get a vacuum and really get to cleaning this thing out now that we got all the big pieces of trash out of here. So, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a vacuum and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so we're done vacuuming everything out for the most part. It's not perfect, but it'll be good enough for now. I think I'm going to go ahead and try and take out the center console and see if I can get this boost gauge disconnected, because the way they hooked that thing up, it's going to make this a little difficult, but we're going to try our best, and hopefully this isn't too difficult. Alright guys, we are back. Sorry that my camera stopped recording once again. I decided to go ahead and do some off-camera work because of it, and I got the door panels and the center console removed, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what that's looking like real quick now that we have that knocked out. As you can see right here, door panel completely removed. Only thing we have left is to get that door handle taken off of both doors. That one's taken off. And you can see right here, we managed to get the center console taken out. And then next, we're going to be working on this panel right here. I've already got it kind of loose, got some of it taken off. We got some clips back there that we got to take out. And then once we get that taken care of, we'll have access to the inside of this side scoop right here. So we'll be able to take that off as well. So with that being said, I think it's time to go ahead and get back to work. Alright guys, we finally got the interior quarter panel pieces off as well as the side scoops. It was pretty easy and pretty straightforward other than a couple of tabs and push pins that were being a little stubborn, didn't want to come loose. But other than that, we managed to get everything off pretty easily. I'll go ahead and show you guys real quick what the interior is looking like right now. As you can see right back there, we've got that one off, and then we've got this one taken off here as well. And then you can see the side scoops have been removed. I've got them sitting just right over here. Side scoops are in pretty good condition. I'll show you guys the underside of them real quick. Only had a few little tabs holding them in right there, and then it had some, you know, like 3M adhesive holding in that side right there. I know with some of the other side scoops they have pins running along this entire side. Luckily this was just held on by some adhesive, which wasn't too difficult to get off with a little bit of extra force. But yeah, those are in mint condition right now. No broken tabs or anything. That was the main goal, and we managed to accomplish that. Now I think that's going to wrap up this video. We made some pretty good progress taking apart the interior of this car. Obviously, as you can see behind me, I still have to take out the steering column as well as the dashboard. We're going to save that for a completely different video because that's going to be pretty difficult, and we just don't really have time for that right now. And then in the next video that I upload, I'm going to be going into more detail on what I plan on doing with this car. So you guys can already tell what my plans are based on what I've started to do to it. But there's still some other stuff that you guys probably do not know. So like I said, I'm going to cover that in the next video. So if you guys enjoyed this one, be sure to drop a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and drop a comment down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Step up, baby. Come and board this. Fly across the country, they can't afford this. Trying to make it. Forbes list. Listen for the drums when the drums hit. Step up, baby. They can't afford this. Fly across the country, come and board this. Trying to make it. Forbes list. Listen for the drums when the fucking drums hit.